So, you wanna define, ano nga ba yung self-love? What is self-love? Ang pagpapalaya sa sarili mo. There might be conflicts and hindi yun maiwasan, and we wanna address that. We become mean to ourselves. Ikaw yung unang-unang nagagalit sa kanya when dapat ikaw yung unang-unang kakampi niya. Today with RJ, this is the introduction to self-love. How are you today? First of all, I want to say thank you sa overwhelming support since I launched my channel. I think that's almost a week ago now. I'm very grateful for all the people na nag-show ng support, lalo na sa mga family and friends ko, and for sharing and subscribing to me. I'm so happy. As in, yung first 10 subscribers pa lang, I was really celebrating. My heart is so full and you don't have any idea how it means the world to me. And I'm so happy. Thank you so much. I want to acknowledge G, one of my colleagues. She's one of my classmates and I know her as a very creative and talented girl. So, I'll be linking her account so that you can reach her then kung gusto nyong magpa-edit sa kanya. She was the one who helped me talaga to make that teaser possible. So moving on, now we are here on this very exciting part of the journey, the beginning of loving ourselves. So today with RJ, this is the introduction to self-love. Before I present the topic, I'd like to have a very quick disclaimer lang. I just want to say na I'm not a professional, I'm not a psychologist, I'm not a pastor, really a teacher or a master or in any kind. I'm just, an ordinary human. I'm just an ordinary girl who might have the same story as yours. And I know lahat naman tayo maybe had an episode of doubting ourselves or being hard on ourselves in some point of our lives. Those are the things that I am overcoming then as myself. So I don't want to be preachy or anything like that. I have experienced it. That's why. So dito, pantay lang tayo. Pare-pareho tayo, sabay-sabay tayong matututo at magde-develop ng self-love sa ating mga sarili. At sasamahan nyo ako na matutunan to. I can't say myself as a master or an expert about self-love, but I'd rather wanna call myself as an advocate. This is my advocacy kasi ang dami ko na-discover and ang dami kong re-realize sa sarili ko, and yun yung gusto kong i-share sa inyong lahat. So, yep, that's it. First, we want to define, ano nga ba yung self-love? What is self-love? Self-love would be something na subjective. Maaaring may iba-iba tayong approach or interpretation about it. This is a social science thing. It's not absolute. Walang logical na explanation. It's kind of a feeling. It's about the psychology, the behavior. So, wala siya talagang specific na definition. But for me, I think self-love is something na pagpapalaya sa sarili mo doon sa mga naging limitations mo before, or kung nagkaroon ka ng mga time na sinut down mo or deprive mo yung sarili mo about the things that you love kasi hindi mo ginawa because of some other reasons. Self-love is about liberating yourself. It is about freeing ourselves from the pain of torturing ourselves. Sa dictionary, it is a noun and it is defined as regard for one's well-being and happiness. Desirable siyang bagay kesa sa narcissistic kasi it's a completely different thing. And we're gonna go there later on. Yung inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo na hindi ka natatakot sa sasabihin ng iba. Hindi ka nakakonforme dun lang sa sasabihin ng iba sa'yo. And then, finally, ang self-love din is yung pagtatanggal natin sa sarili natin sa mga self-judgment, sa mga guilt na nararamdaman natin, sa feeling na hindi tayo worth it, yung mga feeling na napaka-unworthy natin, sa mga self-blaming. Self-love, yun yung pagpapalaya natin sa sarili natin sa mga ganong negative na feelings. Or ikaw ngayon, tatanungin mo ako, mahal mo ba yung sarili mo? Of course, I will say, I like myself. Yeah, I am happy with what I'm doing. I'm happy with myself. I think I'm okay with myself. Madali lang naman siyang sabihin. But when you're all alone, and sobrang depressed ka, which is hindi naman na iiwasan yun. Yung mga ganong episodes na mag-flashback sa'yo yung past, bagay na nagawa mo before, yung mga trauma mo sa buhay, and then all of a sudden, you will say, think you messed up, hindi ako good enough, hindi ako worthy of love, I don't deserve anything of this, I hate myself, bakit ka ganyan, bakit mo nagawa yun? And then you will ask yourself, do you really love yourself? Lagi mo siyang sinisisi kapag mag-isa ka na lang. So, then you will realize na sobrang layo mo pa pala sa totoong pagmamahal mo sa sarili. Kasi yeah, again, it's easy to say, but hindi talaga yun yung totoo. So, yun yung definition ng self-love, yung malaman natin kung ano yung totoong pagmamahal sa sarili. Paano mag-reconcile doon sa mga bagay na hindi mo pa rin na-acknowledge or natatanggap sa sarili mo. In this process of introducing yourself to self-love, there might be conflicts. And we wanna address that. Ano ba yung scope? Gusto natin ma-narrow down. So once you start or yung process ng pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo, you will also open yourself sa potentials mo o yung mga bagay na hindi mo alam na kaya mo pala, or yung mga bagay na dating alam mong yun talaga yung pangarap mo, or yun talaga yung mga kaya mong gawin, pero dahil sa sobrang hard mo nga sa sarili mo, dahil sa mga insecurities mo, hindi mo na siya nagawa. Kapag minahal mo na uli yung sarili mo, it's opening those doors again. It will open to the possibility na mas maging confident ka. This will contribute ng malaking malaki sa personality development, career development, and ultimately the best version of yourself. Kasama na din dito yung physical well-being, mental, emotional, and spiritual wellness. Is it too late na mahalin natin yung sarili natin? Of course not. Wala siyang deadline, wala siyang kailangang age. The act of loving yourself actually begins when you decide to be, when you choose to love yourself na. If it's the time right now, habang kausap ko kayo, if you think this is the time, then this is the time. Your call. Pero hindi natin maiwasan na may misconceptions about self-love, kasi kahit ako nung una, parang paramount na mag-start or ma-establish mo yung self-love before you loving others, diba? Lagi natin yung naririnig. But then parang yung perception ko dati ng self-love is about being self-centered, self-absorbed, mga narcissistic, vain, ganyan, mga ma-ego, ganun. And mag-research ka sa Google. When you put in self-love, it's actually synonymous to narcissism, gano'n. Kaya doon, nagkaroon ng mga gano'n mindset kapag sinabing self-love. Pero dito, gusto kong ipaliwanag yung pagkakaiba or paano natin madidistinguish yung self-love versus vanity. Ang vanity kasi is described as so much pride mo sa mga sarili mong achievements, physical appearance, yun yung vanity. Yung sobra kang obsessed, kailangan ganito ako, kailangan maging maganda ako, kailangan flawless ako. Sobrang obsessed ka sa sarili mo. Yung parang yung goal mo lagi. Because you're so full of yourself, you wanna always be above others, na sana mas maganda ako sa kanya, mas maputi ako sa kanya, mas matalino ako sa kanya. Kapag ikaw is full ka ng vanity, na in-exercise mo na lagi yung vanity, it actually, hinihinto ka niya doon sa totoong self-connection mo. Nilalayo ka niya sa totoong pagmamahal sa sarili mo. Self-love, actually, it's supposed to make you feel stronger. On the other hand, ang vanity, it makes you feel weak. Diba? Sobrang vain mo. Ang kahinaan mo kapag wala kang supply ng moisturizer, mamamatay ka na kapag hindi mo na perfect yung exam. Parang ganun. It makes you feel weak. Self-love is also synonymous to self-acceptance. Nakokontento ka kung saan mo man dinidecide yung sarili mo, kung whatever it is. You decided na maging plus size, you're content about it. Hindi mo kailangan i-compare yung sarili mo above others. Basta walang competition kapag self-love. Yung vanity does not give anyone confidence. Yung vanity is actually a sign of insecurity. Another na pagkakaiba ng vanity versus self-love is yung vanity is very conditional. Ang self-love is unconditional. So, in conclusion, self-love is not vanity. Yung self-love kasi is taking the whole you, minamahal mo or tinatanggap mo yung sarili mo ng buong ikaw, at minamahal mo siya from inside out. Kung ano ka, kung sino ka, be compared sa others. Sarili mo lang, ikaw lang to, parang ganun. I'll give you an example, and I think everybody could relate. Diba, kapag tayo, we lose a few kilos, kunyari, gumaan tayo or pumaya tayo, parang titingin tayo sa salamin, and magsusuka tayo ng bagong damit. I like myself. Oh my God, I love myself. Tapos, o kaya kapag bagong rebond tayo, or bagong treatment yung hair natin, I love myself, ganun. And then, o kaya kapag nag-post tayo ng picture sa Instagram, and we got 100 likes in 10 minutes, oh my God, I love myself. I like myself. Ganon. Laging ganon. Pero paano kung kabaliktaran yung nangyari? Kasi madali natin sabihin na mga ganon na, I like myself kasi ganito. Tinatanggap nila ako kasi nakaka-like sila sa akin. Kasi bagay sa akin yung bagong foundation o kaya may bago akong makeup and it made me feel good. Oh, I love myself. But what if the opposite happens? Paano kung isang araw, you will look in the mirror and then ang taba-taba mo na, yung mga dati mong damit, yung dati mong pantalon, hindi na magkasya sa'yo. Paano kapag nag-post ka sa Instagram or sa Facebook, and then, isang oras na, wala man lang nag-like, o kaya 5 lang yung like. Paano kung natapos na yung effect ng rebond sa hair mo, bumabalik na yung sumpa. Nag-uumpisa na uli siyang kumulot, o kaya nag-uumpisa na siyang magtikwasan. Ano na yung mararamdaman mo? Haharap ka sa salamin. Masasabi mo pa rin ba na, I love myself? Ifo-forgive mo ba siya dahil mayroon ka ng pimples o kaya sobrang tikwas na yung hair mo, wala nag-like sa Facebook mo, sa pictures mo? Diba? You see, na kapag sa vanity, instead of pure love na yung nararamdaman natin, kapag nakakagawa tayo ng tamang bagay, we reward ourselves. Ang galing-galing mo, self. Ikaw na talaga. Ang galing-galing mo. The best ka, self. Pero kapag may nagawa tayong mali, kapag may nagawa tayong hindi expected ng ibang tao na gagawin natin, if we fail ourselves, we become mean to ourselves. Yung isa tayo sa unang-unang taong nagtutorture sa sarili natin. Tayo mismo yung nagbibigay ng parusa sa self natin. Kapag may hindi tayo nagawang tama, na-fail natin yung magulang natin, na-fail natin yung boyfriend natin, na-fail natin yung ibang tao, na-fail mo yung sarili mo. At ikaw yung unang-unang nagagalit sa kanya when dapat ikaw yung unang-unang kakampi niya. So, ang meaning ng unconditional na love is yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo. No matter what you do, ng same level lang. Meron kang mga pagkapanalo, meron kang mga pagkatalo, mamahalin mo pa rin siya in the same level. Yun yung self-love. Unconditional. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit anong itsura mo, you will still accept that self na kahit tumaba ka, kahit hindi maraming nagla-like sa pictures na ina-upload mo, mahal mo pa rin siya. Kahit hindi ka bagong rebond, mahal mo pa rin siya. So, yun yung pinagkaiba ng vanity versus self-love. And hindi ko naman sinasabi na, okay, dahil okay lang naman kahit hindi ka magpa-rebond or whatever, hindi mo na siya gagawin. Sarili mo, I'm not saying na ganun. You can still do it. If you feel like doing it, pwedeng magpa-rebond ka pa rin. Pumili ka ng makeup or kung anong gusto mo. Whatever makes you feel beautiful, go for it. I-aim mo na magkaroon ka ng good and healthy skin. It's good. I mean, you can still do it. It doesn't mean na you're vain na parang, you're so vain because you want to get good skin. Hindi naman. It's still a part of loving yourself. But what I'm just saying is, as long as you feel beautiful, if you post your photo sa Instagram or sa Facebook, kahit may mag-like dun, diba? Hindi pa rin naman kasalanan na i-celebrate mo yung mga likes. All I'm saying is, whatever you like, kung no makeup, full face makeup, whatever you like, basta it makes you feel beautiful, it makes you feel confident, it makes you feel good about yourself, then go for it. Wala namang pumipigil sa atin dun. Kapag naging, kunyari, nagkaroon ka na nga ng good skin, you feel like you are superior na sa mga ibang tao. Kunyari, you can pull off the no makeup look, bare face, kaya mong maging maganda pa rin kahit wala kang makeup, woke up like this yung mukha mo. Tapos, pero kapag na-feel mo na, mas maganda ako sa'yo, kasi kahit ako walang makeup, ang ganda-ganda ko pa rin. You feel like you are superior than the other people na kailangan pa nila mag-makeup just to look good. Yeah, it's good that you're confident with your own skin, but to say things like that to other people, then it's not self-love. It's not the self that's talking. It's not the inner self that's talking. That's ego. And we're gonna go there as we progress on learning the process of self-love. We will talk about the self and the ego on our upcoming videos. Kung sa tingin nyo nakaka-relate kayo and you feel like you have your personal examples, ikwento nyo rin naman sa akin. Magkwentuhan tayo at mag-share tayo ng mga observations natin. Share your stories and experiences in the comments and doon pwede tayo mag-usap-usap. Finally, we are on the last part. We would like to know now kung paano natin siya sisimulan. This is Introduction to Self-Love, the day it starts. So, how do we start? There are a lot of ways para mahalin natin yung sarili natin. I can enumerate it, sobrang dami talaga, but I can only give you 3. And sana this will be your takeaway in this video. Una sa lahat, you have to thank yourself. Pasalamatan mo yung sarili mo. Kunyari, meron kang promise sa sarili mo na today, hindi may gagawin kang task and then kailangan, you have to meet the deadline today. And then, nagawa mo siya. Kahit isang item lang yung nagawa mo, pero nagawa mo siya. You have to take your time and thank yourself for that. You have to celebrate your own wins. At saka yung mga maliliit na bagay na na-overcome mo. Kung sabihin mo, thank you self kasi sinamahan mo ko sa pakikipagdigma sa MRT kanina and you were so strong and you did great. Yung mga ganun. You thank yourself and be grateful sa mga bagay na nagagawa mo at sa mga bagay na overcome mo. Pangalawa, forgive yourself naman. Patawarin mo yung sarili mo sa mga naging pagkukulang mo. Kunyari sa isang araw na to, nangako ka sa sarili mo na hindi ka kakain ng fries. Kaya lang, hindi mo talaga napigilan. You have to forgive yourself. You don't have to feel bad and you don't have to curse yourself na, wala ka talagang kwenta, hindi mo kayang panindigan yung pagdadayat. Mababaw yun. Pero ganun yung parang, yung idea niya. Na you forgive yourself. Patawarin mo siya sa mga hindi niya kayang gawin at sa mga hindi niya mababago. Sa beginning ng video, sinabi ko na palayain mo yung sarili mo sa self-blaming. But hindi ko sinasabi na tatakasan mo yung sarili mo dun sa responsibility kung may nagawa ka mang mali. Part of forgiving yourself is yung tatanggapin mo na nagkamali ka. You take full responsibility about dun sa nagawa mo. And i-acknowledge mo na may nagawa ka talagang mali. You will forgive yourself pero hindi mo kakalimutan na may kasalanan ka. Hindi mo siya tatakasan. By forgiving yourself, you will focus on the solution. Kung paano mo ba siya gagawing tama. It's also giving yourself a space para to make things better. Kausapin mo yung sarili mo and then you say na pinapatawad mo yung sarili mo and sabay niyong gagawin kung paano yun itatama. And number 3, last but not the least, gusto kong gawin mo, humarap ka sa salamin at sabihin, mahal kita. With all your flaws, walang makeup, walang bagong hilamos, ikaw lang mag-isa, bare face. Tingnan mo yung sarili mo sa mata and then you say, mahal kita. Ikaw yung magde-decide kung kailan mo siya gagawin. But, I can't wait for you to do it. I can't wait for you to finally start doing it. So, loves, if this is something that resonates with you, at kung sa tingin mo na nakaka-relate ka and parang ganito din yung nararanasan mo, you might wanna share your stories sa comment and keep in touch with me. I have all my social media para makapagkwentuhan tayo or you can stay connected with me. And if you're already here and nakaabot ka sa time na to, I hope, and you haven't yet, please consider subscribing because I still got a lot of things na gusto ko pang i-share sa inyong lahat. I hope you enjoy today. Carpe Diem with Today with RJ. See ya!